Hello, hello. Welcome to Slow Talk Podcast. We are so happy you are here today. Get ready because today we are going to learn, laugh, and speak English together. Are you ready to speak English today? Let's go. Ethan, you look strange today. What happened?
Amelia, I need to tell you something. Something embarrassing.
Oh no. Again?
Yesterday, I was at a coffee shop waiting for my order, and next to me, a very nice man. Friendly face, big smile. He looked at me and said,
He said,
"Crazy busy in here today, right?"
and you said,
I looked at my shoes.
you looked at your shoes?
For a very long time, like my shoes had the answer. They did not.
The shoes let you down.
Completely. He stopped smiling, he looked away, and I stood there with my coffee, feeling like the loneliest person on earth.
Oh, Ethan.
Amelia, I knew every word he said. Crazy, busy, today, I knew them all, but my mouth, nothing. Why? Why?
Because knowing words and knowing what to do with words, those are two very different things.
So what do I do?
You learn small talk, the small words that open big doors. And today, that is exactly what we are going to do.
Next time, I will not look at my shoes.
Next time, you will start the conversation.
I will start it.
You will start it. Okay, 3 situations, 3 places, 3 conversations. And after today, strangers will not feel so strange anymore.
I am ready. Shoes are staying on my feet today, not on my mind.
Good, let's go. Situation number 1. You are at a coffee shop. It is busy. You are waiting. Someone is standing next to you. How do you start a conversation?
This is the exact situation from yesterday.
I know, so listen carefully. Small talk always starts with something you both see, something you both feel. Right now, you are both waiting. You are both in a busy place. That is your door.
My door.
Your way in, your first sentence. Listen, this place is always so busy, isn't it?
Oh, simple. We both see the busy coffee shop, so I talk about it.
Exactly. You talk about what is around you, not about yourself, not about big things, just what you both see, what you both feel right now.
And then, what if they answer? What do I say next?
Great question. After they answer, you add one small, friendly sentence. Like this. I come here every morning, but the line never gets shorter.
That is so relatable. Everyone feels this.
Yes, and that is the secret of small talk. You say something that makes the other person think, me too, I feel the same. That connection, that tiny moment, that is small talk.
Small talk is not about big things. It is about the same small things we all feel.
Perfectly said. Write that down.
Same small things.
Okay, now I want to show you something. We'll do this the wrong way first, and then the right way. Watch carefully. Ready?
I love this part.
I'm the stranger at the coffee shop. Wrong way, go. This place is always so busy, isn't it?
Yes, it is busy.
And then?
And then, nothing. The conversation is dead. I killed it.
You killed it with 2 words. Now, right way. I'm the stranger at the coffee shop. This place is always so busy, isn't it?
Right? I come here every morning. The line never gets shorter, but the coffee is worth it.
See? Now I want to keep talking to you.
Same situation, same stranger, completely different ending, all because I added 2 sentences.
2 sentences, 1 connection. That is small talk. Bonus phrase. When you want to finish the conversation nicely, because your coffee is ready or you need to go, native speakers say this. It was nice chatting with you.
Chatting. Not talking, chatting.
Yes, chat is a warm, friendly word. Talking is neutral. Chatting says, I enjoyed this. It was light and fun.
It was nice chatting with you. It was nice chatting with you.
And the other person will always smile when they hear that, every time. Repeat after me. Warm and friendly. This place is always so busy, isn't it?
This place is always so busy, isn't it?
I come here every morning, but the line never gets shorter.
I come here every morning, but the line never gets shorter.
It was nice chatting with you.
It was nice chatting with you.
Everyone at home, say all three out loud right now. Perfect. Situation number 1, done. Situation number 2. You are in an elevator. The doors close. You are alone with one other person. 10 seconds of silence. What do you do?
Oh no, the elevator. The most difficult place in the world.
Why?
Because you are so close and there's nowhere to go. You cannot look at your shoes. They will see you looking at your shoes.
This is true. The elevator is a small space, so the small talk must be very light, very short, very easy.
Like what?
Like this. Busy day?
That's it? 2 words?
2 words. In an elevator, 2 words is perfect. You don't need a big conversation. You just need to break the silence, make it human.
And if they say yes,
You say, tell me about it. Mine too.
tell me about it. That means I understand completely.
Yes, it is short, it is warm, it says, we are the same, we both have busy days. And then the elevator arrives. Perfect timing.
Amazing. So the elevator is actually the easiest place because the conversation only needs to be 10 seconds long.
Now you understand. The elevator is your friend.
Hello, old friend.
Wrong way and right way. I am the stranger in the elevator. Ready?
Ready.
10 seconds. Nobody spoke. How did that feel?
Wipe my forehead like the longest 10 seconds of my life.
Now, right way.
Busy day?
So busy. I haven't stopped since this morning.
Tell me about it. Mine too. At least it's almost Friday.
Right? Have a good one.
The elevator doors open. We both smile. We both feel better. 10 seconds. That is all it took.
10 seconds of small talk, 0 seconds of awkward silence. Always choose the 10 seconds. Bonus phrase. This one works in elevators, in hallways, everywhere. Native speakers say this to end any short conversation. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Not have a good day. Have a good one.
Yes, have a good one is more relaxed, more natural, more friendly. Native speakers say it 50 times a day.
Practicing. Have a good one. Have a good one.
And the other person always says it back. It's like a warm handshake, but with words.
A word handshake. I love that.
Repeat after me. Busy day?
Busy day?
Tell me about it. Mine too.
Tell me about it. Mine too.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Everyone at home, all together. Beautiful. Situation number 2, done. Situation number 3. You are at a park. You sit on a bench. Someone sits next to you. It is a beautiful day. How do you start?
Oh, the park feels easier already. More space, more air, less pressure.
Yes, the park is the most relaxed place for small talk, and the easiest thing to talk about in a park is right above your head.
The sky?
The weather. In a park, talking about the weather is completely natural. It is not boring, it is perfect.
Wait, but you always say don't talk about the weather.
At work, with your boss, the weather is strange. But at a park with a stranger, the weather is the most natural thing in the world. Context matters, Ethan.
Context matters. Wow, English is like chess.
A little bit. Now listen. What a beautiful day, right? I had to get outside.
So simple and so true. Everyone in the park is there because the weather is nice.
Exactly. You are both there already for the same reason. That is your connection. And then you can ask a light question to keep it going. Do you come here often?
That sounds like something from a movie.
I know, but in a park, it is completely normal. It's genuine. It shows interest without being too personal.
Not too close, not too far, just right.
Just right. Last one. Wrong way and right way. We are on a park bench. I sit next to you. Ready?
Ready.
The phone. The great escape.
I always do this. When I don't know what to say, I look at my phone.
Everyone does this, but you miss every connection, every interesting person, every story. Now, right way.
What a beautiful day, right? I had to get outside.
I know. I've been inside all week. I needed this so much.
Do you come here often? I just found this park last week. It's wonderful.
And now we have a real conversation about the park, about our week, about life, all because you looked up from your phone.
Put the phone down, look up, say something small. That is all it takes.
That is all it takes. Last bonus phrase. This one is special. It is how you keep any conversation going, anywhere, not just the park. Listen. That's so interesting. Tell me more.
Oh, this is magic. If I say this, the other person keeps talking.
Yes, and while they talk, you have more time to think, more time to relax, more time to enjoy the conversation.
So this phrase is for me too, not just for them.
Smart. Yes, it shows interest, it keeps the conversation warm, and it gives you a moment to breathe.
That's so interesting. Tell me more.
Say it like you mean it, because you do mean it.
That's so interesting. Tell me more.
Perfect. That's our last bonus phrase. Repeat after me. Warm and open. What a beautiful day, right? I had to get outside.
What a beautiful day, right? I had to get outside.
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
That's so interesting. Tell me more.
That's so interesting. Tell me more.
Everyone at home, say it like you mean it. Beautiful. Situation number 3, done.
Final round. I say the place, you say the phrase. Fast and natural. Ready? Coffee shop. The line is long.
This place is always so busy, isn't it? I come here every morning, but the line never gets shorter.
Elevator. 10 seconds.
Park bench. Beautiful day.
What a beautiful day, right? I had to get outside. Do you come here often?
Yes, you are ready. You are ready for the coffee shop, the elevator, the park, and everywhere in between.
I stand up proudly. Next time a stranger talks to me, I will not look at my shoes. I will not look at my phone. I will look at them, and I will talk.
That is all anyone ever wanted. Quiz time. Ready, Ethan?
Always.
Question 1. You are in a coffee shop. A stranger smiles at you. What is the first thing you talk about?
Something we both see. Something around us, like the long line or the busy place.
Yes. Question 2. You are in an elevator. 10 seconds of silence. What do you say?
Busy day? Just 2 words and the silence is gone.
Perfect. And question 3, for everyone at home, you are at a park. Someone sits next to you. The weather is beautiful. What do you say? Write it in the comments. We want to read your small talk.
And tell us, what is the hardest place for you to make small talk? The coffee shop, the elevator, the park? Tell us below.
So today, 3 places, 3 conversations, and 9 phrases that will open doors everywhere you go. The coffee shop, the elevator, the park. Small talk is not about big words. It is about small moments, human moments.
And next time a stranger says something to me, I have an answer. Many answers. My shoes will be very bored.
And next time on Slow Talk Podcast, something very important, something everyone needs on day 1.
How to introduce yourself in English, the right way, the way people remember. Don't miss it.
Subscribe, come back, and remember, every big friendship started with one small sentence.
See you next time, slowly.